Today we're staying at the AC Hotel in downtown Orlando, and we're taking you through the hotel, the room, and the views. If you're considering a downtown Orlando stay, this will give you a clear look at what this hotel offers. The lobby has that distinct AC Hotel's modern, minimalist signature. Clean lines, neutral tones, and a very streamlined layout set the tone right away. It's a space that focuses more on design and functionality rather than decorative extras. Check-in was smooth and the hotel feels quiet and composed, even in a downtown location. It leans more toward a business-forward style, but it still works well for leisure stays. Moving through the hotel, the design stays consistent. The hallways are clean, well-lit, and straightforward, which keeps everything feeling cohesive. Let's head into the room. The room follows the same AC design language, minimal, efficient, and modern. The layout makes a good use of the space without feeling tight. The bed is positioned as the main focus of the room and looks comfortable. The neutral color palette and clean finishes keep everything visually consistent. There's a dedicated desk area which works well if you need to work, edit, or plan your day. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom continues that sleek AC style with modern fixtures, a glass shower, and a clean structured layout. It's designed to be practical and easy to use. And here's the view. The hotel offers amenities like a fitness center and an on-site dining area, keeping everything convenient and close by. One of the highlights here is the Rooftop Restaurant. It follows the same modern AC aesthetic with a clean open layout and a focus on the views. From up here, you get elevated views of downtown Orlando, which makes it a great spot in the evening. It's well suited for relaxed dinner or drinks without feeling overly formal. This hotel is a good fit if you're looking for a modern minimalist stay, a downtown Orlando location, or a hotel that prioritizes design and function. It's less about resort style features and more about a clean, well designed place to stay. Overall, our stay at the AC Downtown Orlando matched exactly what the brand is known for: a modern, streamlined experience in a great location. If you found this tour helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more hotel tours and travel content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you the next time.